Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send email in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need to go to either contacts or you can go to your campaigns so you can start sending emails to your leads or contacts. So basically for here, you can just go to the contact and from here you will find log call etc. But what we are interested in is to click on email. So either you can send an email to a single person like this and go to a specific contact and choose the email. You can start insert and creating some templates. Those are some templates that's already included in your Salesforce. You can add them in the templates in Salesforce. Then you will need just to click send. Now, if you want to send an email to a group of people or to send mass emails, you can just go to contacts. You can list your view by creating a new view. So from the list view control, you can create a new list view and click save. And then you can start filtering your contacts on however you want, either by uh, name or whatever all the records or the columns that you have. So after that, you will need just to click on send list email. By clicking on send list email, you will need just to add the content of email. So here I'm just going to use again another template and you go to review it and simply we need to use this recipient. We need to just use all the contacts and for those we are just going to send list email. Make sure that they are all selected and again we will need just to use our templates follow up and as you can see now it is customizable on each person and then you will click on send. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.